Super Bowl Run, weekly chart, AutoZone, great company. However, we feel that a lot of these names in their bull rallies, as we've liked at AutoZone, is here's that weekly earnings, 360 straight up here to 3. You can see here where the weekly highs were at 386, and you can see that it's already pulled down almost $10 to the low, 386 to 376. This is what happens when they get overbought, and it's good. You know, you got 100 shares short up here at the high, you make $1,000 on 100 shares. If it's $1,000, it's a $10,000 pullback trade. So basically, for the bigger players that we have, of course, we already got some bellwethers players that are traders short last week on those highs on AutoZone. So we're just recapping it, and we'll do a call and put structure here on the AutoZone. AutoZone has had a $10 pullback from its exhaustion bull rally high. Now we're going to go over here to AZO. Listen, it had its $10 pullback, just like we said. Now that we've had that pullback, it still remains in the overbought zone. So let's go to a AutoZone. Let's go to a 380 put. That's at $6.70. That made a low down here finally. They were up here at $18. They are somewhat deflated, so we'll go looking at that. Here is a 370 put. Below the market all April. That's totally deflated. Of course, they were up here 3 weeks ago, up above $12, and down here they took $9 premium. Those are the strike prices. That's in April. They don't have a weekly on these. So we'll be monitoring, should we get a counter bull trend on AutoZone. You can see here where the puts got cheap, and they had about a $3 or $4 or $5 range, and that's a 390 put in the money. The way to trade AutoZone intraday, though, MMTs, is that when they hit these exhaustion bull tops, bull top pull back $10. Now we're going to see how it holds this $10 pullback and wants to go back up, either break the high and get more overbought, and or continue its retracement right around the 370 area, which would give us a great buying opportunity within this first bull phase of calendar 2012 on AutoZone. Calls and puts, as I said, will be all over it. We will be looking at a 360 put, not because it makes you a lot of money, just because that they were $9. Yes, they're down here right now. That low last week hit $1.15. So does AutoZone ever have to go to $3 or $340 to make money? No. Once again, AutoZone, first weekly overbought phase, $10 pullback off of the high to support level. We're going to look at either how to trade it back up to a lower high and or how it holds support, and we'll be looking to buy. Of course, all of these that we're going to fade the pullback or short the pullbacks are ultimately going to be the same bulls that we take back higher. AutoZone.